Ever opened your window during rain only to feel that sudden splash ruining your drive? Worried face today, we're fixing that frustration forever. Welcome to my channel, where you'll discover the top 5 best rain guards for Ford Taurus 2010 to 2019 that keep rain out while letting fresh air in. Stick around and grab yours through links in description. Product number 1, Side Window Visor Wind Deflectors for 2010 to 2019 Ford Taurus 4 PCS. Most Ford Taurus owners don't realize a simple trim piece can change how every rainy drive feels. This side window visor wind vent deflector fit for 2010 to 2019 Ford Taurus 4 PCS nice looking outside mount style shade sun rain guards set 94194 transforms noisy cabin air into a calm, controlled flow. Before this, drivers crack windows during rain and end up with splashes, wind noise, and discomfort on long commutes. It solves that by redirecting airflow, making it one of the most practical choices among best rain guards for Ford Taurus 2010 to 2019. Compared to universal clip-on visors, this outside mount set fits tighter but needs careful alignment during installation. Upside, quieter rides, better rain protection, clean factory-like look. Downside, adhesive fit demands patience and proper surface prep. Perfect for daily commuters and highway drivers who want fresh air without weather intrusion. Once installed, every rainy mile feels less like a challenge and more like a smoother journey unfolding in quiet silence. Product number 2. Most drivers don't realize how much rain noise enters through slightly cracked windows until a storm forces them to notice. The 94194 side window visors wind vent deflector set for 2010 to 2019 Ford Taurus changes that experience instantly. These 4 PCS outside mount tape-on rain guards redirect airflow so you can keep windows slightly open during drizzle without water splashing inside. Many drivers searching for best rain guards for Ford Taurus 2010 to 2019 struggle with cheap plastic sets that peel or whistle. This kit feels more stable than basic clip-in alternatives, but a rival in-channel version still offers slightly cleaner look with more effort needed for install. Ideal for commuters who want fresh air without fogged glass or harsh wind noise. Downsides include adhesive dependence and careful alignment during mounting. Overall, it serves drivers who value everyday comfort during long highway rides or sudden rain shifts. Once installed, even a rainy commute feels less stressful and more open to fresh, calm airflow. Product number 3. Few drivers realize that a sudden rainstorm can turn a quiet drive into a soaked, noisy struggle within seconds. The 94194 sunproof waterproof side window wind deflector changes that moment completely. It blocks rain, reduces wind noise, and lets you keep windows slightly open without stress. Without good rain guards, Ford Taurus owners from 2010 to 2018 often deal with foggy glass and uncomfortable airflow during long trips. This 4-piece set fits cleanly, making it a practical pick among best rain guards for Ford Taurus 2010 to 2019 seekers. Compared to cheaper tape-on visors, it offers stronger hold and a more factory-like finish, though installation needs patience. Ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone who prefers fresh air without letting weather ruin the cabin. However, those expecting instant snap-on setup may find the fitting process slightly time-consuming. Once installed, it brings quiet comfort during rainy drives and a subtle sense of control over changing weather. Turning storms into calm drives feels surprisingly simple. Product number 4. Rain entering a closed car during a storm isn't just annoying, it can slowly damage interior electronics and comfort more than most drivers realize. That's where these out-channel window visor shields for Ford Taurus 2010 to 2019 step in, designed in dark smoke 4 PCS form to redirect wind and rain while keeping airflow alive. Most drivers struggle with fogged windows and cracked open glass during rain, especially on long drives or parked situations in humid weather. This set reduces that stress by acting as a shield, letting fresh air circulate without letting heavy drops inside the cabin. Installation is straightforward with outside-mount adhesive design, and the fit is tailored for 2010 to 2019 Taurus models, giving a factory-like finish. However, unlike in-channel premium guards, these may sit slightly more exposed, though they perform well for everyday protection at a lower cost. Drivers facing rain and wind daily will appreciate these as practical best rain guards for Ford Taurus 2010 to 2019, especially for comfort-focused commuting every single mile. Product number 5. Few drivers realize that a quiet cabin can change how long a road trip feels, especially in a Ford Taurus facing sudden rain drafts. These 94194 sunproof waterproof side window wind deflectors step in where frustration usually begins: wind noise, wet seats, and fogged glass during unpredictable weather. As a 4PCS protective replacements rain guards set designed for 2010 to 2018 Ford Taurus, they redirect airflow so you can crack windows without worry. Many owners searching best rain guards for Ford Taurus 2010 to 2019 often struggle with cheap clips that loosen or rattle after weeks of use. Compared to basic stick-on visors, this set feels more anchored, though premium magnetic kits still win slightly in ultra-silent highway runs. Ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and families who hate sudden rain sneaking into partially open windows. Install it once, and every drive feels calmer, drier, and more controlled, turning unpredictable weather into a background detail rather than a daily interruption you notice it instantly.